Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm back with another sing video. Today, I'm going to unboxing one of my like streaming tools, or maybe you can use this tool for uh, another use. I was about like magnetic holder that you can, which is can to be put with magnetic on your dashboard in your vehicle, maybe in your car or another vehicle. I want to use it to my motorbike, and I want to use it to live streaming using my phone. So I bought this close. It is like a phone holder with magnetization, so you can put it on your dashboard in your uh, car or your motorbike. Okay, guys, without further ado, let's open the box. This box. I will bought it from the like Indonesian e-commerce called Shopee. This is very one of the most e-commerce in Indonesia. Like maybe if you are from America, you know Amazon to buy a lot of stuff. This is Indonesian e-commerce that will from came from China. That's for China company, and you can buy like a lot of things in this e-commerce. Okay, let's start to open the box. Let's go. Okay, guys, this is the box. About and I already left a scissor to help him open the box. So let's get started. Let's like the box. Um, so it's already rough. The box is like over wrapper. So I think the tool inside will be stayed during delivery. Um, it is this is the box. It's called Mon Holder Magnetic Car Air Fan. About this store because I'm thinking I'm going to like uh live streaming using I don't know I'm going to use it on my motorbike because I do have travel. So like it's a valve that helped me this the magnet. I think it will be put on the bottom and bottom of the holder and the bottom of the phone. It is two. You guys you can see this is two magnetic and the other side is where you will put on the dashboard. Okay. I'm just looking how to open it. So this is my first time. Yeah, I think I'm gonna see the, oh yeah. So this is where you put the holder. It can be put in horizon, I think, and the second is you might put on the vertical or the horizon. You can see that, guys. Okay. In the bottom, in the bottom of folder, it's supposed to be like this. You will put the, I think it's for handphone. So this is you will put this on the back of the phone, then it will glue to the holder. So the bottom of the magnetic holder, it is something you can pull out thing, and they give another, like, for replace if this getting broken. It is one that already put on the bottom, and I'm trying to open up. It's supposed to be this to, like, you have to put in something like that. So it will, like, glue on the dashboard. Okay, I will take my phone first. So this is my phone, guys. I will put the other magnet this phone. So it's gonna, like, glue to holder. And in the back of the, like, magnet plane, it has, like, something to open up. I wanna take it in the back of the phone like this. And I will put the, like, hard disk phone. Nothing is going to be ready. And yeah, this is how it's look like. And you can also change the rotation, whether in horizon or on the vertical. Okay, guys, this is it. Thanks for watching my unboxing videos. Okay, guys, this is it. Thanks for watching my unboxing video. It will help. This is the the visualization of the magnetic holder. So the holder will glue to the flat magnetic that put behind the phone, and the bottom is like a glue thing. in this part that you can put it, on the dashboard. Okay, guys, see you on my other unboxing video. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.